Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to gravity bead your clutch lay cylinder. First step is loosen the clutch reservoir cap. This is also part of the cap, so I'll just leave that right there, and make sure you don't spill the fluid anywhere on the paint. If you do, wipe it off right away, because brake fluid is corrosive and it'll eat through your paint. And for my car, the clutch sleeve is right here in the engine bay, because that's the transmission, and as you can see, it's connected right to the clutch fork. So in most cases, there's a dust cover cap. Let's see, mine's off right now. As you can see, right there, that's my dust cover cap. And in my case, use an 8mm to loosen the bleeder valve. So I'm gonna loosen it. You shouldn't be on that tight. So all you need to do is loosen it about 1/3 to a half a turn, and fluid should start dripping out very soon. Come on. There, fluid is dripping out. You can leave a hose connected to a bottle to collect the fluid, but in my case, I just let it drip. Then I spray the area with soapy water and wipe it down so the brake fluid doesn't eat the paint or corrode metal. And you let it bleed down for about 3 to 4 full capacities of this. That's about a good amount. Or let it bleed out until the fluid's clean and you see a consistent drip like that. Because if there's air coming out, you'll see like air bubbles at the very tip of the nipple as the fluid's leaving. So right here, there's no air in the system, but it's been about a year since I changed the fluid, so I'm gonna just change it anyways.